In the heart of Cikarang, a new force is rising, a symbol of precision, speed, and strength. This is more than just a factory. It's where German engineering DNA meets the craftsmanship of India and Indonesia, building the trucks and buses that move the nation forward. Designed with cutting-edge technology, this plant is a powerhouse of quality and reliability, setting a new benchmark for commercial vehicle manufacturing in Southeast Asia. But beyond machines and metal, this is a place built for people, with modern offices and open green spaces that breathes life into every corner of our workplace. And as we grow together with the community. Our commitment to community has already taken root, from education and health support to sustainable development programs in the villages around us. This isn't just an inauguration. It's the beginning of a legacy, engineered with pride. We are Daimler Truck, for all who keep the world moving.